Hi guys, it's Isabel. We're back here at Worldwide RV, and today I'm going to be showing you guys around this Jayco J Feather 32RL. Now this is a brand new unit that we just got on the lot and can sleep up to 6 people. So as per usual, let's start on the outside of this unit and then we'll make our way in. Starting in the front of this unit, we are going to have a power tongue jack right here. You also have dual propane tanks that do have a 20-pound capacity in each of them. Now, moving our way down, you are going to have side camera as well as backup camera prep on this unit. And this storage is going to be a pass-through storage. You do have 2 awnings on this. You also do have some marine grade speakers on the outside as well as a 120-volt plug and a TV bracket right here. On the back of this RV, you are going to have a standard ladder. Now this ladder is going to give you access for that 200-watt solar panel. Alright guys, let's go inside and check out this floor plan. As you step into this unit, the first thing that you're going to notice is this is a rear living design. Now, this floor plan is very open. You have plenty of room to move around. I feel like I could literally do a cartwheel in here. Your dinette is, of course, going to convert down into additional sleeping. You do also get some additional storage underneath it. You have the standard, beautiful theater seating, which is going to be right across from your TV, which is down in the counter right now, but it is set up on a TV elevator. This couch right here not only has storage above it, but it does convert down into a full-size bed. So this is going to be a perfect spot to set up some extra people. Moving our way across underneath your TV, you are going to have a fireplace. Moving our way to the kitchen, you have a beautiful island right here. You are going to get a stainless steel double sink with a retractable spray hose as well. Across from the sink, you're going to see that you do have a 3-burner stovetop from Evision as well as a oven underneath. Above that, you're also going to have an Envision microwave. For your fridge, you are going to have an 11 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. Now, this unit does have a full bath in it. In this bathroom, you are going to have a porcelain toilet right here. You also get plenty of storage because you have a medicine cabinet as well as the standard storage underneath the sink. And next to the toilet, you're going to have this pretty spacious cabinet here. This is going to be a perfect space for you to store all those extra toiletries as well as towels. And this shower is pretty spacious. I have plenty of room to move my arms around without worrying about hitting them on the sidewalls as I'm washing my hair. And you also do get a bathroom skylight, so this gives you that extra headroom. I'm about 5'4", but I feel like, what, am I 5'6" now? No? Okay, well, maybe I'm 5'6", but I know that I could totally fit a taller person in here. Alright, now let me show you around the bedroom. In this bedroom, this is going to be a front bedroom. Now, this bed is going to be a queen-size bed. You get plenty of storage in this room with the storage above the bed, as well as if you lift it up, you'll see you do have some storage underneath there as well. And Jayco is very thoughtful with this design by giving you a big, spacious closet. In this closet, you're going to see that you are able to not only hang up clothes, but they do give you plenty of drawers to fold up all those jeans and put all those clothes in here. In the bedroom, you'll also see that Jayco has you covered no matter what because they do have a second AC in here. Alright, there you have it, guys. That was a complete look at this 2025 Jayco J Feather 32RL. Now, this is a brand new 2025, so if you want to see it for yourself, come on and check it down at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. Hope to see you soon.